Hello and welcome to Nigerian Food TV. Today I'll show you how to make Miyan Taushe, which is a recipe popular in the northern parts of Nigeria. First, wash and cut the pumpkin, peel off the outer skin, scrape out the hairy pulp and the seeds, then cut the pumpkin into small chunks. Now blend the groundnut and crayfish together to get a smooth thick paste. Then dissolve with a little water or meat stock and set aside. Blend the tomatoes, peppers and onions, then place on heat and dry out excess water. Now clean the dried fish with hot water, remove the bones and set aside. Also wash and slice the vegetables and set aside for later use. Now place the meat into a pot, season with onions, seasoning cube and a little salt, and leave to boil in its own juice for 5 minutes. Then add the pumpkin chunks and a little water and boil until tender. Coarsely mash the softened pumpkin in the pot and then add the groundnut paste and mix thoroughly. Now add the tomato pepper paste, locust beans and the cleaned fish. Also add the palm oil, taste for seasoning and salt, and add if necessary. Mix thoroughly and leave to boil for 15 minutes on medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent burning at the bottom. If the soup is too thick, you can add a little water, but it shouldn't be watery. Finally, add the sliced vegetables, simmer for 3 to 5 minutes and put off the heat. And now your soup is ready to serve with rice mosa or tuwo shinkafa. Thank you so much for watching, and do give us a thumb up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out our website and channel for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Goodbye.